Hi, I'm Matt with Dirt Road Cred, and in today's Distinction Applied installation video, we're going to show you how to install a color-matched fuel door for your 2018 to present Jeep Wrangler JL. Now, Distinction Applied offer these in a few different trim models if you've got a 4xe or you want a different style of factory fuel door. This one here that we have laid out has the Jeep lettering here and is finished in the 41 color. These are also available in hydrographic dip patterns or any accent color of you choosing. The only tools required to get this installed are going to be a trim removal tool to help remove the factory trim ring around your gas cap, or if you've got a factory gas cap, to remove that and install the color matched one. Give yourself about 10 minutes of time and you can easily get this installed onto your Jeep. Today we're going to install it on our 2025 Jeep Wrangler 2-door. So the first thing we're going to do is remove our factory tail lamp using the T40 bit with our included Jeep toolkit. I don't know if this is 100% necessary to do, but in our case, and all the times I've done it, I've removed this just so we can show you what's going on behind there, as well as to make it a little bit more easier. So grab a T40 Torx bit in your factory toolkit or a 10mm socket and remove the screw from the back of the tail lamp here, disconnect the plug, and we'll pull that out. Pull your tail lamp off, disconnect it, and now we have some more access back there. Not much, but a little bit more. Let's go ahead and grab your flat trim removal tool and go to about this location and give it a push down. You'll hear a click, and then there's another one down here. This is kind of a little bit of a work around as you do it, and you don't want to have this pop out, so I'm just kind of keeping my finger in there, but we can work around to this one over here. See that? So it kind of starts to pop. Now it's probably a good time to pull the cap off just so you can get this out, but it is attached to the inside, so this will come with it once it pulls off. So we got those popped out, and you just pull the seal over your fuel door. Anytime you have this exposed like this, it's not a bad idea to put a rag or to cover it up. Just be very careful, static electricity, all that other fun stuff. You just have this open, so you want to be careful while you're doing this. And make sure nothing falls in there while you're working. So your fuel cap here will actually just pop out, and you want to push that on to your new fuel door. So just open this up here. And once we have ours in, we'll push it. See that hole right back there? We'll push it in there once we have the new door attached, because it makes it a little bit easier when it's firmed up. But this one actually has a new seal as well, so you want to make sure that the seal does fit on there properly, and you make sure that's a good seal, or else vapors can kind of come out through there. So make sure that that's on there and it goes over properly. So this does actually come apart into two pieces. If you guys already have a Jeep with a fuel door, you'll probably only, if you want to, just order this piece, this outside edge here, and that will go back on. So why don't we show you how to install this first here. So this will just slip right into place like so, making sure that the seal is going over. You do have alignment pins. So Ryan, there's a little pin right up here at the top that'll pin in. Make sure that's in place, and that's it. It just pushes into there. Now, if you just had one that only gets this door, these actually just have little clips right on the back. There's 4 of them that will just go right into place. So you're gonna line this up. Making sure that all 4 of them are into place. So once you have that installed, go ahead and reinstall your fuel cap. Tighten the click it there. Close up your fuel door, and you are good to go. All right, guys, well, the installation is complete on this JL fuel door that has completely been custom paint matched to the Jeep. It looks fantastic on there. Plus, the install time is really, really short. You know, I'll be honest, if you have a trim panel removal tool, you can do this from the outside, or if you want to take a look inside to see where those clips were, you can. However, it's a pretty simple installation. Just make sure that you don't mar up the paint on the outside when you are removing it. Now, the cool thing is, too, is this gives us a little bit more peace of mind. Although it's not locking, it still does close very nicely. Cover up that and just kind of blend through the back end of the Jeep. Now, if you notice, we put our little gas logo on the top here. We've got a specific theme with this build. If you want to, hop over onto Dirt Road Cred's channel and you can see the full build of this Wrangler. But this channel is for all your great installation videos. And if you guys have picked up a fuel door for your Jeep, thank you for making it distinct with distinction applied.